Welcome to our exploration of agentic AI explained through a healthcare analogy. This is a powerful form of artificial intelligence that can think, plan, and act on its own to achieve specific goals, even without being told each step. To make this more relatable, imagine a busy hospital where staff juggle thousands of patients, appointments, and emergencies every day. Every second counts, and coordination is critical. Now, picture an AI system there that doesn't just wait for instructions, it takes charge, organizing workflows, flagging urgent cases, and deciding when to alert doctors or reschedule appointments automatically. To fully appreciate this, let us now compare it with two other AI approaches you may have heard about: retrieval augmented generation, RAG chatbots, and tool augmented AI. A RAG chatbot excels at retrieving information from large databases and answering questions, but only when someone asks it. It's reactive, not proactive. A tool-augmented AI can interact with external systems like calendars or email. However, it still needs to be told exactly what to do. It won't take the initiative on its own. Agentic AI, in contrast, figures out what needs to be done, sets its own goals, and takes action independently, transforming how complex tasks are handled. In our hospital example, only agentic AI could act without prompting, managing critical workflows and improving efficiency on its own. Now that you're hooked, let's dive deeper and define agentic AI in a more theoretical way, while comparing it in detail to other types of AI. Now that we've seen agentic AI in action, let's define it clearly and understand how it differs from other AI systems. Agentic AI refers to intelligent systems that autonomously pursue goals in dynamic environments. It doesn't wait for prompts. It observes, plans, adapts, and acts on its own. Let's break down its key features. Agentic AI is goal-directed. It works toward defined outcomes. It's proactive. It doesn't wait for instructions. And it's autonomous. It can operate independently, even in unpredictable situations. To help illustrate these differences, let me walk you through a quick comparison. A RAG chatbot is great at retrieving and synthesizing information from documents and databases, but it's always reactive. It only answers questions when someone asks it. Tool-augmented AI can interact with external systems like calendars and email. It's smarter than a basic script because it can carry out tasks when told to, but it still waits for commands before doing anything. Agentic AI is different. It actively sets its own goals, adapts to changes, and carries out tasks without human prompting. It continuously monitors its environment and adjusts its behavior to achieve its objectives. In simpler terms, while RAG and tool-augmented AI are fundamentally reactive and need direction, agentic AI is proactive. It decides, plans, and acts independently to meet its goals. Let's explore a few real-world examples of agentic AI systems so you can see what this looks like in practice. Think of self-driving cars that navigate roads, predict hazards, and make real-time driving decisions without a driver's direct input. Or AI-powered customer service agents that resolve billing issues or schedule callbacks on their own without human help. Automated trading bots that scan financial markets and execute trades independently. And space exploration rovers that choose sampling sites, conduct experiments, and navigate challenging terrain millions of miles away. With these fundamentals in place, let's move on and see how you can build your own agentic AI using accessible tools like Zapier and N8N. Now we move from theory to practice. Here's how you can create a simple agentic AI using no-code automation platforms. We'll use Zapier and N8N. Both platforms let you link services, define logic, and trigger real-world actions, forming the core brain of an agentic AI without writing custom code. Start by mapping out your workflow. Decide what you want your AI to accomplish and what data it needs to make decisions. For example, monitoring missed appointments, sending notifications, or updating records automatically. Next, connect the data sources your AI will use, such as Google Sheets, databases, or a CRM. This lets the AI sense real-world events like a missed booking or an incoming email. Create the decision rules your AI will follow. In Zapier or N8N, you can define conditions. If a missed appointment occurs, then check contact info. These conditions form the AI's planning and deciding steps, Now link in the actions: email, SMS, Slack messages, or calendar invites. When the AI decides to act, it uses these integrations to carry out tasks autonomously, like sending a rescheduling link or updating a database. Before going live, test your workflow end to end. Simulate triggers, inspect the logic, and adjust rules until the AI reliably takes correct actions every time. Congratulations! You've built an agentic AI that senses, plans, and acts on its own. Your automated agent can now monitor, decide, and execute tasks without manual intervention. By using Zapier or N8N, anyone, regardless of coding skills, can start building proactive AI systems. That means you can create digital assistants that help you focus on high-value work instead of repetitive tasks. Up next, let's clarify how agentic AI differs from other AI approaches, like AI agents and generative AI, using an easy real-world analogy. To wrap up, let's compare three AI categories: AI agents, agentic AI, and generative AI, and see where each excels. There are three main AI types to understand today: agentic AI, AI agents, and generative AI. Each operates differently and serves distinct purposes. Let's define them. Agentic AI acts autonomously toward its goals. AI agents follow preset rules or scripts to complete specific tasks. Generative AI creates original content, text, images, or other media based on user prompts. Imagine three workers tackling the same challenge. The agentic AI worker manages the entire project, adjusting plans on the fly. The AI agent worker sticks to its assigned task without deviation. The generative AI worker crafts new ideas or materials when asked, but does not manage or execute tasks. Here's a real-world analogy. Think of organizing a large gathering with three helpers. The agentic AI helper is like a project manager who sets goals, delegates tasks, and adapts if something changes, ordering food when the fridge is empty. The AI agent helper is like a staff member who follows a step-by-step checklist but won't take action beyond its instructions. The generative AI helper is like a creative designer who, given a request, designs invitations, decorations, or playlists but does not execute or manage logistics. Agentic AI proactively identifies needs, sets priorities, and executes solutions independently, continuously refining its approach until success is achieved. AI agents excel at focused tasks within strict boundaries. They reliably follow instructions but cannot adapt outside their predefined scope. Generative AI specializes in producing new content, such as drafting articles or generating images, based solely on user prompts, without taking real-world actions. To summarize, agentic AI is proactive, goal-oriented, and adaptable. AI agents are rule-based executors with limited scope. Generative AI is reactive and dedicated to content creation. Understanding these distinctions helps you choose the right AI approach for your needs, whether you want automated decision-making, task execution, or creative content generation. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, share, and subscribe to CTO-X for more tech-related videos. Thanks for watching.